Hello everyone, this is Domina Mara and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be reviewing a product that I haven't explored yet, but it's extremely crucial for someone like me who lives a double life. But before we dive into why, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell so you know when I have new content out. I post new videos every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time and live stream on Sundays. Be sure to follow my account at Mara Domina on Instagram and Twitter for daily news and updates. So today we have ClearPads. Stay tuned for my discount code and the giveaway at the end. ClearPads is a reusable, ultra-absorbing microfiber makeup remover pad. These pads come in a set of 3 in the colors black, white, pink, coffee, and multicolored with black, white, and pink. They come in individually wrapped packages with a hexagonal tessellation pattern in the front and the back. The surface is extremely soft and doesn't just remove makeup, but also other impurities that may be trapped under your skin. I mentioned the double life aspect in the beginning of this video. As a professional dominatrix, I live a very colorful life. This also includes dramatic makeup, which is great for personal dress up, a night on the town, attending events, educating on panels, as well as performing on stage. However, sometimes I have plans with family and or friends on the same day. And so in order not to overwhelm them with the visual depictions of a diva, I can use these clear pads to tone down the look to a more appropriate vanilla setting. Finally, at the end of a very long day, I want to get my beauty sleep powder-free, and to do that, we will use the same makeup removal pads once again. To use, just add water. It can be either cold or warm, it's up to you. I prefer lukewarm so that slightly warm temperatures will open up the pores just a bit. The water will loosen up the makeup upon application and you don't need to rub or scrub. Just let the strands of the pad work their magic by gently passing the pad onto your face and the microfibers will reach deep into your pores for you. It's as simple as wet and wipe. The fibers will also trap and hold on to the dirt particles, preventing the excess from going back into your face. This is also why you won't need to do multiple passes, as it is 7 times more absorbent than other types of fibers, resulting in just a couple of pads. When you are done, wash the clear pad with soap and water, let dry, and it is as good as new. The pads are softer than cotton, hypoallergenic, and non-toxic without harmful chemicals. You don't need the stack of makeup remover wipes or additional liquids to add to this process. The pads are reusable up to 200 times, which is calculated to replace the equivalent of 500 makeup wipes at a time, and an average of 1,500 wipes and cotton rounds each year. Crazy, right? To make this product even more eco-friendly, it is recyclable after it's lived its best life with you. A personal tip I would like to share with you is using a separate clear pad to clean your makeup brushes. I used to use old towels as rags to run the brush one way on the surface after washing it with soap or liquid remover to see if I got all of the old makeup out. But now I don't have to bother with any of that, or bulky tools like the silicone cleaning mat. Since the clear pads are so effective, you can take this with you to travel or just being on the go. Just wrap it in a plastic bag clean so it doesn't get contaminated by anything else. Then place it back in the bag after to wash later when you return to home base. So if you are a makeup connoisseur, or if you live a double life like me, give your skin a healthy, invigorating clean with ClearPads. If you use my code MARA, you get 30% off minus the already discounted price on their website. The link is also found in the description box below. If you made it to the end of the video, I'll be doing a giveaway for this set of 3 pink ClearPads to a lucky winner who completes the next 3 steps. Step 1, you must be following my Instagram and Twitter accounts at Mara Domina, and you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Step 2, you must tag and feature me with ClearPads via Insta Story, retweet, or tag me in a tweet linking to this YouTube video, copy and paste the URL. You have permission to use the thumbnail image as seen on YouTube, downloadable via Twitter. And step 3, include my discount code MARA, M-A-R-A, and specify 30% off. The more often you post, the more chances of winning. Please keep the maximum of posts to once a day per platform to prevent spamming other people. A random winner will be selected on February 28 at 12 midnight Pacific time. The winner will be notified March 1st. They have 48 hours to respond, or I will move on to another winner. I'd like to thank ClearPads for giving me the opportunity to test out their fantastic product. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that others can discover this amazing, economic makeup remover pad. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you know when I post cool collabs like this next. You can find me on Instagram and Twitter at Mara Domina. And until next time, be safe, have fun, and keep your skin clear.